Well, hi there and welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. You know, sometimes life seems backwards. I remember how when we were first starting, we had no money. We were scared to death in the cleaning business. And I would go out and I was so unprofessional. I was horrible. I talked too fast. Certainly sincerity that I felt, but it didn't come across. It came across as just racing through it, not thinking about the customer. It was just bad. You know, as you grow your cleaning company and it seems like everything isn't hanging on that next sale, it's easier to be more relaxed about it. At least that's what I found. You know, haven't you always, for example, if I said to you and to myself, if we went out to sell cleaning, but you had millions and millions of dollars, you were just doing it for fun, wouldn't it take the pressure off? Well, of course it would. You know, it makes sense. You know, you're not feeling that. But life is sometimes backwards that way. There's no getting around, unfortunately, when you're new and you're afraid. And well, at least for our case, we were desperate. I used to walk up and down industrial developments because I desperately needed to get the next job. And it made things even worse. But I'll tell you, it did make me focused. And one thing I only come away with is saying this. I wanted to share with you is it's absolutely natural to feel unnatural and unprofessional when you first start selling cleaning and going out and seeing prospects, and maybe for a long time. So it must be something about learning important things that are somewhat painful and they take time. But over time, you will get better. Experience and experience, you learn how to do it better. Plus, as you grow, you'll feel more confident too. So how do you remove the fear of desperately needing to grow? I don't know if I know an easy answer to that. But over time, you will get better. And as you look back, you wish you could have given yourself a little bit of a break and say, just take your time and you will learn how to do this better and better. Hang in there. You know, I see so many things when I read comments online, and I'll hear and I can read between the lines that folks get scared and afraid, or they're really down and out and they need this next job, and it just breaks my heart. But I know they're right in the middle of the very thing that sometimes is the teaching tool, which is the experience of one day after another. Keep trying to do that, and it does get better. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.